All right, cards galore, right? I mean, there's like a lot of cards here, and we've got a sweet Tip Tuesday on this Valentine's about your greeting cards and about love notes and what do you do with them. You may have ones that you inherited, ones from your genealogy and years past of your family, and even current ones, and we're like up to here with these. So what are some ideas? And I've got a couple great ones for you. So first of all, I was going through my greeting cards. I'm going through a clean out of my attic and found greeting cards up there. And I know that I can't keep all of them. Number one, I've gone to my parents' estate twice, once my mom passed away and once with my dad, and they had all these greeting cards like stuffed in underneath their bed. And you know what? I looked through all them and there were only like one or two worthy of keeping. And so I want to recommend to you that you really narrow these down. So first of all, I found a card that my dad had given me from 2014. It was a birthday card. It reads to me, "I could not have asked for a better daughter," and better is underlined. But then he goes on to say, "And believe me, there were times that we did." What do I do with this? Like, do I keep it? I don't know. What does it even say? We'll discuss that later. Okay. But what I suggest is taking your greeting cards and organizing or sorting them by who gave them to you. And then once you get that done, I mean, get all your greeting cards out, everything that you've inherited, everything that you've had that been given yourself, and organize those by who gave them to you. And then pick the very best. Maybe limit yourself to 5 per person. And then obviously you can keep them in a keepsake box or something like that. Even scanning them on the inside would be even a better deal, but it could be more time consuming. Now concerning love notes, cleaning out my dad's estate, I found this box here, and in the box had this perfume bottle that is empty. And it was something that my dad had sent my mom when he went off to the Korean War. So he was 17, she was 14, and inside this box was a love note. I get love notes too, but the difference is this is like, I don't know, like 70 years old, and this one's not. So what do I do with this? What do you do? So I would suggest taking all of these new and old and scanning them, because the paper is deteriorating. Very few I would ever keep originals of unless you're going to do something with them, because you are the only one that's going to benefit from that. And I would get them scanned and then share the files with your family members when they're all scanned, and everybody can enjoy them. And you could read them from the easiness of your computer, laptop, or phone. And I just think this is great. So think about taking the time as you find these to put them on your scanner and scan them and put them in the cloud. And you know what? A teenager could do this. Pay them to do this or make it part of their chores to help for the benefit of the family. And I'm Lorraine Brock here with Tip Tuesday, and I'll see you next week.